Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So nothing really went on yesterday, pretty much ranging. I think actual fact, in my view, at the moment, possible flag that is forming, as I said to you yesterday, not an area that I want to be jumping in short, not when the oscillators are like this, and we have now got some diversions on the oscillators, and we're sort of just hovering around inside this channel. So remember, we have the Feds coming out to tell us their interest rate hike, and I don't think it's going to be a case of no interest rate hike. I think it's going to be a case of whether it is 0.5% or 0.7% or 1%. I think that's kind of the moral of the story here. So what traders are waiting for, I am not 100% sure of. We know there's an interest rate hike, so the question is, have we priced all the interest rate hikes in at the moment? Or are we just waiting for confirmation that there is an interest rate hike that we can continue falling? So difficult to ascertain until the data's out, until the noise is out, and then you see what price is doing. So for me, this is still a sit quietly and wait for the data. You can see this week we had the start of the week on Monday, which we fell, and then sort of since then it's been kind of all over the place. We did fall again, I suppose, yesterday. But you'll see now on the lower time frames, very difficult to ascertain whether you need to be in short or not. Oscillators still not giving us any indication. One thing that is happening is that they are separating. So remember, when they separate and the fast moving oscillator gets up and crosses over higher up, if something like that happens on the 3 hour, then expect a much bigger fall. So if we start drilling down to our intraday levels that we want to be trading. So yesterday we kind of rejected the trend line here and then fell. As you could argue, there was an opportunity there. Nothing really concrete for me, but the oscillators are sort of heading to the upside. So this area here is still of interest for me, and that's 38.10. You can probably round that off to 3800 as well. But I suspect we're more than likely going to continue in the channel, or you need to sort of put a level in to the downside here, and this becomes our range. One of the two things are going to happen today. I don't see us breaking up or down until we have the noise out the way. So on the 15 minute, you can see when we did the video yesterday, we were sort of hovering around here and then gradually just moved down. But you can see big down, big up, big down, big up, big confusion, and then buyers coming in at the close. So at the moment, I suspect more the same, to be honest. I don't think you're going to find a quick move up or a quick move down just yet. I think you're going to have to be waiting to see what transpires. So if you're going to be trading the intraday, here is your level to pay attention to. So you want to see above 37.57 and we hold it, then I suspect we'll come and test the top of the channel. And if we sort of start dropping below this level, I expect it to move to the downside. What I would actually do, to be honest, is just trying to find where we have structure. That's the best bit of structure there, but then we've got the gap here. So what I would expect is a break below this area of 37, call it 37.50, close the gap, turn around, come back and test one of these two levels and reject it again. That would give you an opportunity for a potential short stop just above the top here, and your short is obviously in the direction of the trend down to 3700. That is the only opportunity that I see at the moment. Definitely not looking for longs right now, but in saying that, I wouldn't be in the market when data comes out later today. So as soon as the Feds tell us that there's an interest rate hike, you expect some volatility, then we should settle down and get us an opportunity to start jumping in again. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view on S&P 500. Definitely still sitting quietly on the sides, just waiting to see what's going to happen. All this divergence here is concerning me for any move to the short side. And anyway, I would expect something higher up. So I would expect something from there or even there for a short entry. I'm not really interested in anything down here. And anything we do down here is going to be scalping. Anyway, hope it helps somewhat, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.